name is Nik Muhammad Shazrul bin Muhammad Saidi. I am from group AP2245B. So today I will present my individual work, which is my topic is Construction Project Management or CPM. So this is table of content for my presentation. So I will start with introduction. Project management refers as a process of leading a project from start to finish. The purpose of project management is to finish a project within the time, budget and expected quality that have been defined. For this assignment, I must carry out a video presentation about construction project management, which is CPM. The purpose of this video presentation is to make everyone understand deeper about construction project management. This video also will explain about why and when the CPM is needed in construction project. Besides that, this video presentation also will explain about parties that must be managed by the project manager and the roles of CPM in construction project life cycle. Okay, so next, what is CPM? Basically, construction management is a process of managing construction project. However, when it comes to managing construction project in comparison to other kind of project, the main difference is construction project is mission driven, while construction project management is commonly defined as managing resources throughout the life cycle of a project using various tools and process to regulate scope, cost, time, quality and so on. State Morpus 2022. Implementation project management often involve a wider range of limitations to address that are unique to the design and construction of construction project. Next, why CPM is needed in construction project? According to Greenbush J 2019, CPM is needed in construction project because it can increase the chance of successful project completion, such as on schedule, within budget and without financial and legal difficulties. Implementation of project management is a professional service that oversees the planning, design and construction of a project using specific project management technique. In addition, CPM is important especially for large-scale projects since mistakes can cause major delays and waste money. State Greenbush 2019. A project manager carefully analyzes each design decisions to determine its impact on the schedule and cost. An unexpected problem might ruin the entire project if there is no skilled project manager team in place. Last but not least, construction project management can also offer clear accountability lines. State Greenbush 2019. With a CPM team in place, it is clear who makes the decision and what the project objectives are. The project manager coordinates the entire project team attention so that everyone understands what they are meant to be doing and why. The project manager's experience can counter the risks that arise during the construction process. Next, when CPM is needed in construction project. Firstly, planning and organizing stage. The planning and organizing stage are the initial phase in construction project management. The construction project management role involves the implementation of strategies, methods and budgets, as well as the distribution of resources. As the initial line of quality control over the works execution, the construction project management role continues as the project starts. State Greenbush 2019. Project managers will analyze previous project successes and failures to ensure that the present project does not repeat the bad and benefits from the good. Next, pre-construction stage. Pre-construction stage. Pre-construction project management services include selecting a construction project delivery system, as well as bidding and contractor retention. State Greenbush 2019. An effective construction project manager will analyze the contract to verify there is no overlap in the duties of the designer, contractor and owner, as well as perform a constructability and schedule assessment to determine acceptable and realistic time frames for the project. Next, construction stage. It is critical for the construction project management team to be closely involved in the project during the construction phase to avoid surprises. The construction project management team will keep control of the construction's progress and quality by helping the contractor in timely ordering, manufacture of lengthy lead time goods, and ensuring correct trade sequencing. The construction project manager may anticipate and avert delays. State Greenbush 2019. Construction project managers also provide centralized communication for contractors, owners and designers. Having an objective third party on board who knows the language of all project participants can mean fewer change order and earlier dispute resolution. Improved communication can lead to improved integration and the development of beneficial give and take. Lastly, post-construction. According to Greenbush 2019, if a project issue turns into a dispute, owners and their lawyers rely largely on the construction project management team for assistance in the claims process. The project manager is the keeper of vital, factual and technical information regarding the project and its development. As the owner's eyes and ears, the construction manager is well positioned to support or defend a contractor's claim. Owner's counsel's communication with the construction management team are private, allowing owners' counsel to use the construction manager's breadth of information in drafting legal strategies. Next, parties that need to be managed by the CPM in construction project life cycle. The Construction Management Association of America (CMAA) states that the construction project manager is responsible for working with and supervising the project stakeholders, who include the owner, architect, general contractor, trade contractors and subcontractors. The project managers are in charge of ensuring that the project completes each phase successfully, on schedule and within budget. They will be responsible of reporting each stage and efficiently interacting with stakeholders. When problem develop, they must also investigate. The CPM guides a team of building professionals ranging from designers and architects to contractors and construction workers through a set of duties to see the project through to completion. The construction project manager recruits and assigns responsibilities to the building and management teams. They set the tone for the project as the leader. Thus, they must have good leadership and communication abilities. Next, roles of CPM in construction project life cycle. Firstly, ideation and research. Ideation is an element of front-end loading, which is the planning and design phase. of the project life cycle. Stakeholders evaluate every aspect of a project to determine if it fits with the company's existing and future portfolio or initiative. The proposed project must make sense to ensure that profit and success of the project. Ideas are refined into project proposals throughout this step through extensive study and data-driven analysis. This phase include techniques such as capital budgeting, feasibility studies, brainstorming, and financial breakdown. Next, define and plan the project. Important details that should be addressed at this stage include the project scope, a feasible timeline, required resources, a reasonable and accurate budget, and key performance indicator (KPI). Inviting feedback from as many relevant team members as possible during this phase should again be a priority, together with determining what personnel the project will require. Next, determine roles. With so many parties participating in every construction project, the project manager must clearly define each party's role. This explains everyone's roles, allows the project manager to keep team members responsible, and minimize confusion and delays. When everyone on the team understands their position in the project and how to do their job, redundancies decrease and tasks don't fall through the cracks. Lastly, finalize and execute construction plan. Before beginning actual construction, project managers should meet with all relevant stakeholders to go through the strategy and verify everyone is on the same page. While there is a considerable probability that project managers may meet unexpected challenges and adjustment as the project develops, failing to secure clear buy-in before construction begins almost assure that project managers will confront extra challenges along the way. Once construction begins, project managers must do all possible to ensure that the process is coordinated and efficient. This involves carefully monitoring and tracking development. In conclusion, CPM is a simple but effective technique of on-site management. The lack of these responsibilities will be one of the incomplete roles, causing the project not functioning well. Construction project managers are required in every project to raise the performance on the construction site in order to fulfill the project's goal within the intended time, budget, and quality. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and listening my video presentation.